Okay guys, what's up? Another banger. Let me just go to my camera real quick. I'm making a drone video. I did this like long ago. Okay, you see? I have this one, just gonna do it. Now it's ready. See? Okay, I'm gonna go into like this, into the Wi-Fi or shit. Century. That. Century connected, Century app. Okay, I'm just gonna start. There you guys go. Okay, can you guys see me? Hi. Okay, so I'm gonna take off. Yes, I am flying inside the house, Tom. Okay. This is the controller. As you can see, I am doing this on a drone. Okay, nice. Okay, I'm just gonna take off. Just gonna take off. Oh shoot. Okay, this is a very dumb idea. Stop! Okay, I'm just gonna fly outside. I think that's a better idea for now. Okay. Just gonna face the wall. Okay. Hi. Okay. I am gonna take off from my hand. Why should there be a gust of wind? Okay. Take off. Has been done. Like always, I have eyes in the sky. No, don't go in the tree. Do not go in the tree. No, whoa. Okay, well, that went terribly wrong. Okay, wait, what happened? Shit, right? I'm not gonna land this now. Okay guys, that went terribly wrong. Because we have a dam here, you see? There it is sitting. And I went over the dam and yes, actually wind. So I could have lost this little guy. Okay guys, see you guys in the next one. I don't think I'm gonna do another drone video.